Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling precise ingredients so the chutney balances bitterness and heat. Use 1 cup fresh curry leaves, 1/4 cup roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup grated coconut, 1 or 2 green chilies depending on preferred spice level, and a 1/2-inch piece of ginger. Add 1 tsp tamarind paste and 1/2 tsp salt for brightness. Measure 2 tablespoon oil to roast the leaves and peanuts separately, keeping everything pre-measured speeds cooking and ensures consistency. Heat a small pan and add 2 tablespoon oil, then toss in the curry leaves and dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes until crisp. Watch closely to avoid burning. In the same pan, roast 1/4 cup peanuts until golden brown and fragrant, about 3 to 4 minutes. Cool slightly, then transfer leaves and peanuts to a blender. Add 1 tsp tamarind paste, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1/4 cup water. Grind to a smooth or slightly coarse paste, depending on texture preference. Finish the chutney by tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a small pan, add 1/2 tsp mustard seeds and let them pop. Then sprinkle 1/4 tsp asafoetida and pour the sizzling tempering over the chutney for aroma and complexity. Serve immediately with idli, dosa, steamed rice, or use as a spread on toast. For storage, place chutney in an airtight container and refrigerate. It keeps up to 3 days while retaining flavor, and bring to room temperature before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.